Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to navigate through my website and how to order accessories and how to see some of my blogs and other pages on my website. So I'm going to start on the incognito page on Google and I'm going to type taniatsn.com. So here we go, now we are on my home page basically, so you can see my logo and basically what I stand by, so your hair, your style and your choice, you choose who you want to be. So here are two of my projects, so basically those two apparels I actually did it all by myself. On the left you can see my prom dress and on the right it's just for a banquet event, and I just did some cool designs. So here you can see a little bit of my description, basically my about page. Here you have a sum of my work, so the braids that I've done on people. You can also see my creations, my designs, like my bandana here, or my bow tie, my bonnet, my coffee hat, my skirt, my tank top, the vest for the guys, and the bow tie. Then if you want to see more, you're just going to be led to my portfolio. And so you can also subscribe to my website, so basically you just have to enter your email here and you will receive any new thing that I'm gonna post on my shop, any articles or any blogs. So now let's move on to the blog section. So here is my blog. So basically in this blog page I'm gonna share every single video that I'm gonna do. So all my hair videos, you're gonna find them here in a blog post, but I'm also gonna try to expand and do more of like lifestyle blog posts or more design or fashion blog posts, like my opinions, or if I have something on my mind I'm just gonna post it on my blog. So as you can see, it's like that. So let's go on one just to see. So here we are on one of my blog posts. So it was on February 2nd, 2019. Basically this one blog post I actually did right away after I did my video. So I just wanted to make every details and every link for you guys to get every product that you would need for this hairstyle. So basically this one was wand curls. So as you can see, there is little blue words into my text, and those are just basically words with links. So let's say you don't have this curling iron and you're just wondering which one it is and you don't really know when you go on Amazon. Well, you just have to go to this blog post and actually click on the curling iron, so the blue word, and you can see the exact same as I have. So this is this one that I have, actually the curling iron that I'm using for this video especially. So I use this one, and you can see you can simply order out of Amazon. So every blue link in my blog post is basically a link for you to be able to buy the products that I'm using. So you can see also I'm showing you guys the process of my video. So I'm showing you a little bit in pictures, but if you want to see more, you always can be watching my video on my YouTube channel. So now let's go to my YouTube page. Donc maintenant, so I just wanted a cool effect on my website, so basically for you to see a little bit of what I do on my YouTube. So basically I just put my video in the background, and here you have a little button where you can actually be directly lead to my YouTube channel. So as we go down, I'm always gonna try to update as soon as possible my latest videos here. Donc je vais essayer avec une vidéo just so you can see how I work from my website, but if you want to see more, of course you can click on that and you will be directed to my YouTube channel. Here I just wanted to include, so let's say you just went on my website and all of a sudden just on my YouTube page, you can also see that I have some of my blog posts. So you're gonna see the 3 latest blog posts, and you can just click there and be sure to basically be directed to my blog page. So now let's move on to the shop. I just wanted to make something simple for now because I have a few items only, and I just wanted to make it as clear as possible. So let's say I want to order a coffee hat. So here you can choose either in euros or in Canadian dollar. So me, I'm in Canada right now, so I'm actually gonna choose Canadian, but I'm just gonna show you a little bit in euros. Dimensions and stuff, and I have just information on it. And basically you can choose the color and the size. So small would be really for smaller heads, and etc. I'm not going to show you the colors when you choose the colors first, so you better choose the size first, then you choose the color. It's going to show on the screen on the left the colors that you want to order. So here I'm going to choose small, and then I don't want this one, not this color, not this color. Ooh, I really like green, so I'm going to take this one. And so there's only 5 in stock, so I'm only gonna order 1, so I'm gonna add it to my cart. Right here. Here is just a couple of related products. Maple mat go in the cart. Coupon codes for now. So now I'm just gonna calculate the shipping. So here I'm just gonna choose Express Post because basically it's the same price. There's only 40 cents of a difference. So I'm just gonna proceed to checkout, and remember you can also pay with PayPal. So here you can just put all your addresses and stuff. And here you're gonna put your card number and everything, and then you're gonna click on place order. So once you place the order, basically you're gonna receive an email with every information about your order. Donc ici quand vous arrivez, so we're gonna see the about page now. Just a little bit of description of myself. Donc voilà, ici c'est moi. Then my contact page. So you have my Facebook page. You have my email. You have my Instagram. And I put the hours where I'm mostly available. So if you want to contact me on any platform, basically for business inquiries only, those are the hours that I'm most likely going to answer you. Portfolio. A little bit of my designs, you can see. Of course there's more pictures coming, and that's pretty much it. So you can see some of my hairstyles, some of my YouTube videos that I did before, and a little bit of gallery, so you can see like pictures not moving.